The Blackstone launchpad
and TechStars network at UCR really helped me turn my idea into a sustainable business.
have gained a sense of direction.
This program gave us access to the amazing mentors.
Helped me learn more about effective marketing, developing business models,
my entrepreneurial mindset, business plan development, customer discovery, and further improved my startup.
The Office of Technology Partnerships, in partnership with the Blackstone Charitable Foundation and TechStars, delivers Launchpad at UCR to help students succeed in entrepreneurship and their careers. Whether you have an idea, have a startup, or are just curious about entrepreneurship, Launchpad at UCR will offer a variety of resources at all stages of an idea and venture development. This includes workshops and networking events, one-on-one mentoring, Blackstone and TechStars programming and funding, access to opportunities like pitching on stage at CES or traveling to New York to participate in pitching competitions. You can also join ConnectR platform to connect with students, alumni, faculty, and staff to advance your career, find mentors, join startups, attend exclusive events, and much more.